Derek. I'm back with the Outdoor Lifestyle Vlog, here to show you some more winter toys we got. Right behind me, got a 77 Arctic Cat Panther 4000, 440 in it. Obviously the skis are not OEM, had those powder coated by Casey at Off-Road Custom Powder Coating. I'll take the cover off and check this thing out. We'll be oval racing this one as well, also in St. Charles, Whittemore, and Gladwin. This is the cleanest one we have, probably out of the 3 or 4 we picked up. Thank Lissa, one of my sponsors, for her help. So this one fires right up just like the Yamaha did. So in a little bit we'll be taking this one on a test ride as well. And there's the powder coating guy, Casey, who did the skis for me. Alright, I'll see you when I'm on the sled. So for the class that we'll be running, it'll be the stock 440 class. The only modifications you're allowed to do to the sleds are 3-inch ski spreaders for each side. Carbides, you can run any carbide you like, and then you can stud the track. This Arctic Cat Panther here has cleated track, which I'm told will be good on the straightaways and a disadvantage in the corners. So I have the studs for that, but I haven't studded it yet, as you can see. So we got to do that still. Also need to order carbides. We do have the ski spreaders installed. So even though these said they fit, they did not. So I had to get them modified. So big thanks to Scotty at Redneck Engineering for modifying those for me so we could get them to work. So they were able to bolt up after that. See if we can get this thing fired up and go for a ride. Well, it was short and sweet, but it was a lot of fun. It's also the first time I've ridden that one. Again, that's a 77 Arctic Cat Panther 4000 with the 440. Cleated track on it. Had the skis powder coated. Need carbides. We did install ski spreaders, so that one will be racing in January at Racing with the Saints. So look for us out there. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.